गोंयांत भलायकी सेवा घटमूट करपाच्या दिकेन राज्य सरकारान आनीक एक महत्वाचें पावल उबारलां। मडगांवच्या दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो हॉस्पिटलांत डे केअर किमोथेरपी केंद्राचें उक्तावण जालें। तशेंच बेगीनूच MRI सुविधा सुरू जातली। कार्डियोलॉजी, न्यूरोलॉजी, ऑर्थोपॅडीक विभाग आनीक घटमूट करतले। फुडल्या वेंचणुके आदीं दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो हॉस्पिटल पुरायपणान कार्यरत करपा खातीर सरकार यत्न करता, अशें भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी सांगलें।
From the Rotarians, and especially starting the daycare centers, which are very important to us. Dr. Anubhava Burkar, just now when we were talking, and myself and our team, when we were speaking, and all the media are very curious to know as to when are we going to do things in a very progressive and very fast-track manner. And we are, and what can be a better day than the 12 years of the Honorable Prime Minister of the country, Shri Modi ji, on his completion. We are committing health services and enhancing the facilities for healthcare to reach out to the people on this occasion. Maximum 5 months. Before we go in for polls, we are going to have a cath lab, dedicated cath lab for the people of the state of Goa. In addition, we are having a state-of-art neuro setup and orthopedic setup here. In addition, when I said is cancer, we are the only state in Goa, in India, that is giving high-end cancer medication free of charge to the patients. We are open to all initiatives. We are open to any kind of support you are able to give us. We are open to any kind of thing, whether it is neonatal care, whether it is mother and child, whether it is cancer care. These things are very important, and small things in a hospital can actually make that change that we want. Just imagine the smile on the lady who we met just now. If she has to go to Goa Medical College and take the chemotherapy, as it is the patient gets drained out. Then from there she has to come back home. But when she is close to her house, it becomes very easy for the relatives to manage, and it becomes very easy for us to take things forward. I have decided from now I will be actually visiting not only the patients but also visiting the patients and going home and finding out what is it that the government can do in the next 8 months to see that we can put things on fast track. Today these ambulances which are inaugurated is basically we are merging all our ambulances with the 108 services. Today healthcare is changing. We have been using AI for screening of chest X-rays to see that for any kind of cancer detection and other things. So several initiatives like breast cancer screening, we already completed close to 1.5 million in the state of Goa. So we are in the process at the moment. We were just talking. We had a meeting here also to get the best setups of the ICU, upgrade them further. Neonatal ICU, get the best care, the best ventilated, so that the best setup, whatever is required. And there are doctors available, and we need to take those doctors on board, and the government is in the process of doing that. One thing I can assure you is that this hospital will make the people of South Goa proud in the next 6 months.
सांगलं की जुलयान आम्ही MRI इनॉग्रेट करता, पण करता नाही. आयज तुम्ही नवे MRI घेवपाक आम्ही तेच डिस्कस काल आम्ही मिटिंग आम्ही पयर घेतली. नवीन MRI टॉप क्लास GMC घेवपाक 35 कोटी लागता. आज ते 35 कोटी ते तयार करूंक जाय न्ही, सरकारान तयार करून ते मागीर ते ऑर्डर थंय दिवंक जाय. ते सगळ्या गोष्टी